Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin with the watch face down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Find the small oval band release buttons on the back. These unlock the band. Press and hold one release button firmly while sliding the corresponding strap piece straight out toward the side. Don't angle or lift. You're doing this to disengage the rail catch cleanly. Once the first half frees, set it aside and repeat for the other side. Gentle. Direct force prevents rail damage and keeps them. Continue by addressing the tougher side methodically. Press its release button fully and push the band straight out while wiggling slightly to coax it free. If it resists, use a fingernail or a thin plastic tool to nudge the band, never metal, which can scar the rails. Pause and inspect the rail channel. Debris often holds the catch. Clean any grit with a microfiber cloth, then try again. You want the rail clear so the band slides smoothly without extra force or twisting. Finish by checking the exposed rails and the band ends for damage or dirt. Light cleaning ensures long-term fit. To put a new strap on, align the connector and slide it straight in until you feel or hear a firm click. Give a gentle tug to confirm it's locked. If a connector still refuses to move, press the release button fully while applying a tiny amount of 70% isopropyl on the rail to dissolve grime, then slide. Avoid forcing or metal tools to prevent permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.